I would do anything for you.
I would have done anything for you.
Now I know he'll do anything for you.
Can I do anything for you?
You do too much. I want more than anything for you to be home.
Anything for you, but I can't get in. I've tried.
I'd do anything for you.
I don't think we should be with each other anymore, Hannah.
Anything for you?
We'll be out in a moment.
You know, I'm the same person. I would do anything for you.
Look how well your charm works, James. They'll do anything for you, won't they?
Really? You do that for me?
What? Ted, you're my best friend. I'd do anything for you.
You're like the best thing that ever happened to me.
And?
And I'll do anything for you.
Come on, Kim. Razor Blades will do anything for you.
What do you mean? That's not true.
Oh, no? Why don't you ask him?
That's not fair.
You know, me and Turk are buddies, right?
Of course.
And I'd do anything for him.
Well, he would do anything for you.
I would do anything for you. You know that, right?
Of course I do.
There isn't anything for you here.
No. This all belongs to me. This land, this forest.
You know I'll do anything for you. I owe you my life.
Brother, listen to me. You don't owe me anything. But thank you.
It's very expensive. Look, I got money to spend in here. I don't think we have anything for you. You're obviously in the wrong place. Please leave.
Muhammad, I'd do anything for you, you know that. But I've got bosses who will only give a damn about Nielsen ratings.
I guarantee it will be a historical and a momentous night